Ever wondered how the stunning islands of Hawaii came to be? It's a story of fire, water, and incredible geological power. Forget what you think you know, because the real story is even more amazing than you can imagine. So, let's rewind millions of years. Deep beneath the Pacific Ocean, there's a super hot area in the Earth's mantle called a hotspot. Think of it as a giant stationary blowtorch pointing straight up at the Earth's crust. This hotspot has been pumping out massive amounts of molten rock, or magma, for at least 70 million years. Now, here's the cool part. The Pacific Plate, which is the giant slab of crust that the ocean sits on, is constantly moving. It's been slowly crawling northwest, right over this stationary hotspot, kind of like a conveyor belt moving over a candle flame. Every time a new section of the plate moved over the hotspot, the magma would burn through, creating an underwater volcano. Over millions of years, this volcano would erupt again and again, piling up lava until it finally broke through the ocean's surface and formed an island. But the plate keeps moving. So, after a while, that new island would be carried away from the hotspot, and its volcanic activity would die down. Meanwhile, back over the hotspot, the process would start all over again, forming a brand new volcano, and eventually a new island. This is how the entire Hawaiian island chain was born. The oldest islands, like Kauai, are in the northwest. They were formed first and have been carried the farthest from the hotspot. They're older, more eroded, and covered in lush, green vegetation. As you travel southeast, the islands get progressively younger. Maui, and then the Big Island of Hawaii, which is the youngest and still sits right over the hotspot. That's why the Big Island is the only one with active volcanoes, like Kilauea, which is literally creating new land as we speak. It's a living, breathing example of how Hawaii was, and still is, being formed. So, the next time you see a picture of a Hawaiian volcano, remember you're looking at the very engine of creation that built this incredible paradise. Thanks for watching, and if you found this as fascinating as I do, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories about our planet. See you next time!